Hello guys, welcome to my channel one more time. This is the unique and healthy recipes for longevity. In today's video, we are preparing something special, something very unique and useful. So follow me. We are preparing a remedy for bad breath. Remedy for bad breath. And all we need is just only three ingredients. Only three ingredients. This is lemon. You need lemon. You need baking powder or sodium bicarbonate. Any brand. You can see that this is not branded. Any brand. And then you need a very good toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste. This is the one I use, Cool toothpaste. Alright, you can use any toothpaste that you have available at home. So let's go into the procedure. This is lemon, washed and cut. I just need half of it per time. So, and I will encourage you, don't prepare it down, because if you prepare it down, there will be a reaction and the result may not be what you want. So prepare it freshly every time. This is lemon. I need just half. So I juice my half. You see what I'm using? Just juice it, and this is enough. This is what I got, and it's enough. So the next thing I need is I'll take my baking powder. Just this is size. This spoon can just, depending on how much quantity you need to brush per time, but you can use this size. I'm trying to get the size. Okay, this is 5 mils. This is 5 mils. So just measure your baking powder this way, level, and that is 5 mils. Add it to the already juiced lemon. Yeah, you can see the reaction. There's reaction going on there already. Then I need my toothpaste. I said you can use any toothpaste of your choice. The one you have, just use it. The whole essence of adding the toothpaste to it is just to get that freshness. Though the lemon will give you freshness, the sodium bicarbonate, which is your baking powder, will act against germs, bacteria, and that is the active ingredient actually in this therapy that we are preparing. So you make your toothpaste also, and then add this. This is it. Just add it to this. Only these three ingredients is what we need. Mix it properly. Just mix it properly. Mix it very well. You can see what I'm doing. Just mix it. You can see. Yeah. The quantity I'm making, you cannot even finish it once. Maybe you can use it morning and night. Or preferably you preserve it, because once you leave it open, it's going to dry up. And when it dries up, it will not be okay again. So you can prepare it like this and preserve it, maybe in your fridge or somewhere very cool and covered. So this is my paste. This therapy is very, very effective. So you can just take the quantity that you need, put in your brush, and then you brush morning and night, or even more than twice a day if you have bad breath. This will take care of it. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Like this video, share with your friends, and make comments. Tell me what you want me to talk about next time. Bye bye.